Friends, welcome to howtofunda channel, and in this video I am focusing on photosynthesis model for school science exhibition. I am going to explain what is about synthesis model in this video. Let's understand first of all what is photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis school science project? So before understanding the overall concept of photosynthesis, being a human being, we drink water, eat food to stay alive, right? Similarly, the plants also need food, water to stay alive. The process where plants survive is called as photosynthesis. The plants breathe carbon dioxide from the air and releases oxygen back to the air. If you can see this model, where if you can see um, the whatever the carbon dioxide is available in the environment is taken by the plant, gives the oxygen to the human beings by making the process of photosynthesis. Basically, it takes sun energy, carbon dioxide, water, and minerals from the root, and it generates oxygen for human consumptions. Let's understand how the whole photosynthesis is going to work. The plants requires a sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and minerals to stay alive. So these are the four important ingredients for the plant to stay alive. So the whole process is called as a photosynthesis, where plants absorb sunlight, it absorbs carbon dioxide, it absorbs water and minerals available on the ground to grow the plant, and once it starts growing, it produces or it releases oxygen. It releases oxygen back to the air. They are usually the whole process is called as a photosynthesis to create the food by the plant to stay alive by themselves, the plant. All the materials being used to make this model, so you require a glue gun, fevicol gel as well. You need a scissor, chart sheet, cardboard, and you need a thick sheet A4 size, paint and brush, and color paper. And also, if you can go here to see this video, you will get the step-by-step mechanism of making the photosynthesis model for your science exhibition. So when your model is ready, when you are about to present the model in the school in front of your friends or in front of your teachers, in front of your principal, then they may expect you will be answering some of their questions. So we are trying to highlight some of the important questions they might ask you in the science exhibitions. So what is photosynthesis in simple terms? So photosynthesis in general is made up of two words, photo and synthesis. The photo means light, it gives from the sun, and synthesis means processing or putting it together for use. Thus, it means plants use sunlight to put together the carbon dioxide and water to work, acts as a food for the plant. What is chlorophyll and its uses? Chlorophyll is a green element present in the plant that stores the light and energy that the plant gets from the sunlight. It uses the stored energy to split the molecule of water and release carbon dioxide. What are the three elements that plants need to make food? The three basic things that needs plants to alive is carbon dioxide, it requires water, and as well as sunlight. What does photosynthesis produce? A photosynthesis produces food and oxygen that is important for humans and animals to survive on the earth. Thus, it seems like dependable cycle for nature to man and man to nature. This is all about important questions. You may get it in the science exhibition when you are demoing the model. And let's conclude. What is the importance of photosynthesis? It is very important to protect and grow the plants and trees on the earth so that humans and animals' life exist on the earth with the help of oxygen released from the plants. So the plant tree, whenever and wherever possible, for us to protecting the environment as a whole. I hope you like this video, and this explanation is helpful for you to present the model for your science exhibition from scratch. If you like this video, please click on the like button, and if you would like to get more similar kind of videos, then click on subscribe and bell notification so that you will get those videos into your account as and when I upload the video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care. Bye bye.